In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for any specific address using Waze Live Map on Chrome and share that exact location with a direct link. This is a quick and practical way to send someone a destination straight from your browser, especially if you want to make sure they open the precise place you found on the map. The process is simple, but it helps to know exactly where to click so everything works smoothly. To begin, open Chrome and go to Waze Live Map. Once the map has loaded, use the search function to look up the specific address you want. Take a moment to confirm that the result shown on the map is the correct one. This is important because if there are similar addresses or nearby places with similar names, you'll want to make sure you're selecting the exact location you intend to share. After the search result appears, look for the location marker pinned on the web map. Click on that marker to open its information pop-up. This step brings up the available options connected to that location. If the pop-up does not appear right away, simply click the marker again and wait a moment for the menu to load. Once the pop-up options menu is visible, find the share icon and click it. This opens the sharing tools for that location. The share option is what allows you to generate a direct link, which can be useful if you want to send the destination through messaging apps, email, or any other communication platform. Next, click Copy Link. This copies the direct navigation link to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere you want. After copying, you can send it to anyone who needs the location. When they open the link, they'll be taken directly to that place in Waze, making navigation easier and more accurate. As a helpful tip, before sending the link, you may want to paste it into a note or message first just to confirm it copied correctly. That can save time and prevent confusion later. It's also a good idea to double check the location one last time on the map before sharing, especially if you're sending directions for an important meeting, delivery, or event. And that's it. Using Waze Live Map on Chrome, you can search for a specific address, open the pinned location, use the share option, and copy the direct link in just a few clicks.